EdTech in the classroom. Thomas Edison once said, "Books will be obsolete in the public schools. Our school system will be completely changed inside of 10 years. Despite Edison's prediction, it has taken almost 100 years since the school system has become more adaptive to technology. EdTech firsts. When did technology come into the classroom? The first overhead projector came about in 1930. In 1972, we had our first handheld calculator. By 2009, over 97% of classrooms have one or more computers. The purpose of technology, according to the U.S. Department of Education, is used to support both teaching and learning. Technology infuses classrooms with digital learning tools such as computers and handheld devices. It increases student engagement and motivation. It accelerates learning. Why do our children need technology in their classroom? Technology is everywhere, and it is important for our children to be properly equipped with the skills and knowledge of how to use technology effectively. There are many pros and cons to technology. Why is technology good? An advantage of having computer-assisted instruction in the classroom is that a computer can serve as a tutor. Teachers can only aid students in the learning process so far. Computers can assist teachers and act as a tutor for the students who are falling behind. Technology empowers teachers and students to reach their full potential. Number 1, why technology is good. Technology can help students with disabilities who may need more attention than others. Technology can also help merge cultures. Example, a student who cannot speak English could have a translator on his or her computer. This would aid the teacher and the student. Students are able to take initiative in their work with the use of technology. When technology is used as a tool to support students in performing authentic tasks, the students are in the position of defining their goals, making design decisions, and evaluating their progress. And last but not least, technology is not only used for instructional purposes, it could also be used to create classroom settings and be used as in the place of textbooks. With the pros, there also come cons. Why could technology be potentially bad? Despite the rise of technology, there are still many people who are against it. Many argue that computers do all of the work for the students, not allowing them the opportunity to digest what they have learned. Some people think that computers will take the heart and emotion out of the classroom. Technology may not challenge students enough. When a computer is doing all of the work, students will not be challenged in the essence to their full potential. Technology could also potentially be a distraction to some students instead of serving its main purpose of an aid. Technology will take away from teacher and student interaction. In my clinical classroom observations, I was able to observe 3 elementaries. This is what technology looked like in my clinicals. The first elementary was Vestavia East Elementary. I attended a first grade class that was full of technology. At Vestavia, I observed a smartboard, teacher laptops, printer hookups, technology for student use, and computer lab usage. I observed the teacher utilizing all of her technology and resources. The teacher used her laptop to pull up worksheets and textbooks and displayed them on the smartboard. She had a printer in her room for smaller prints such as weekly newsletters. The smartboard was used to display math lessons and did an interactive activity to help learn math doubles. The teacher did a brain break using her laptop and smartboard, and students were able to watch a video when learning about pumpkins during a science experiment. At Tarrant Elementary, the technology use was intermediate. The 3rd grade classroom I observed had 5 iPads for student usage, and the teacher was given a laptop. The classroom was also equipped with a smartboard. At Tarrant Elementary, the teacher used the 5 iPads as a station for centered learning. They could use all different kinds of educational apps at their time at that center. I did not see the use of smartboard during my time. The last elementary I was able to observe was Brookville Elementary. I was able to observe a first grade class at Brookville. The teacher and classroom did not have much technology at all. There was a very old computer for teacher usage and a projector. However, neither were used during my observation. After my observation, I can only conclude and ask myself one question: will I incorporate tech in my classroom? The answer is wholeheartedly yes. If I am fortunate enough to have technology in my class, I will definitely use it. I think if used correctly, technology can be very beneficial to students.